What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I am exhausted. I've been worked to death. And I can just let you know certain jobs are stepping stone jobs, and this will probably be one. So I've been very busy with work, pretty much. And I have been a little behind with videos, plus I got sick. I pretty much had influenza and I had a secondary infection. So I'm on Augmentin right now, and I feel like $1,000,000. I feel ready to hit heavy legs tomorrow after I'm done with my shift. So I made a little change to my dividend portfolio. There's a little bit of a focus on some dividend growth, and I earned some pretty nice income from a lot of the NEOS ETFs. I'll go over that, but I want to show you my section that I kind of have created, because I did a little bit of a separation. So I'm going to go over that. And yes, I'm still in the positive with my dividend portfolio. So I'm still up 8.33% overall. And you can see there's a major dip that happened. So at one point I was way up there at 218, 219. Now I'm down to 182. So I did hit a dip. So hopefully that'll get back up there, which it will, because I have some pretty good dividend growers. So I'm going to show you what I did right now. So first, this is how much money I made so far. And again, we went over this, the reliability with these weekly pay ETFs is not always there, because look at how much I made last month, and I don't think I'm going to make probably that amount at 5,437. Maybe 4,000 if I'm lucky, but that's not a guarantee, because again, things have changed. The market sucks. Robinhood's down. HOOW was giving me some really good passive income, but it just wasn't there. So that's been hurting me a little bit with my passive income, especially buying dividend growth stocks. But projected income, again, 2,100, it looks like 2,200, 2,100. That's without these weekly pay ETFs. So that's good. Again, I'm slowly getting up there. Hopefully, if I can get to 4,000 by the end of the year, that would be great. So, again, I've earned so far $8,143.20. So that's not too bad at all. So let me go over what I earned today, which will be distributed on Monday. So I earned 157 with the NEOS S&P High Income ETF plus 1597. IAUI, the NEOS Gold High Income ETF, I made 286. QQQI, the NEOS NASDAQ 100 High Income ETF, I made 2103. XDT I made 379. IWMI, the NEOS Russell 2000 High Income ETF, I made 2198. BTCI, I made 308.37. So that's been down. IYRI, the NEOS Real Estate High Income ETF, I made 193. So let me show you what I did with my portfolio. When I owned these overall long-term wise, it'll show that I'm up really big. I bought some of these when the market was down a long time ago and I made a profit, but I like to call this a false flag with my gains. I am not up for, 1,235.83%. So I'm not really like that overall. Now it says with my investments, that I owned in the past and am currently buying. This is why M1 Finance is kind of funky with where it says returns sometimes. So Taiwan Semiconductor, I'm doing pretty well with that, and it's going to take a while for me to get up there, but very good passive income that I'm receiving. Capital One Financial I have in this section: American Express, MasterCard, Charles Schwab, Visa, Aflac, Broadcom, Kroger, which I love, Jackson Financial, Starbucks, Procter & Gamble. That's not the biggest growth stock, compared to Kroger and Broadcom. I mean, Procter & Gamble's not going to beat them, or Aflac. Home Depot, JP Morgan, Lowe's, United Health Group, McDonald's, I have Pepsi, I have Microsoft, I have Nike, I have McCormick, I have ADP, and American Financial Group. So this is a pretty good section, and I'll put this in the video description. If you want to actually create a dividend growth portfolio and a strong one, I will give you the link in the description. If you want to, and if you're interested, you can, sign up under my affiliate name and we both earn money. So that's if you want to just have the section for your own dividend portfolio and create it with a dividend growth portfolio. I made this section specific and I'm going to have a link for you guys. So I just very, very excited to actually have this separated. And I'm going to show you what I did on the other side. So I have my NEOS and XPay section, 50-50, and I have my dividend growth stocks. So let me, and I say dividend growth stocks because I do have a combination of dividend ETFs and dividend growth stocks. So I just called it dividend growth stocks, which I'll probably rename it. So in here, I have some pretty nice dividend growers and dividend growth ETFs. Carlisle Companies, I have SCHD. I have VIG, the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation. DGRO I have. Badger Meter. I have Ecolab, it's a big cleaning company. Cintas, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan. I'm actually going to sell that because I have it in the other one. So I'll get rid of that one at the end of this video. QDVO, FDVV, GPIQ, TSPY, GPIX, and IBBW. This is a really good income buy right ETF. So I'm really want that to start distributing passive income. So I wanted to show that to you guys, and I will show you my dividend growth section. I'll put it in the description. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to try to squeeze in a video for you tomorrow. Take care and have a good one. Remember, my disclaimers in the beginning of the video. You should not use this YouTube channel for financial advice or for tax advice. Take care and have a great Friday. And I posted this one kind of late for you.